Yeah, hello amazing customers. I welcome you to Steven Stone Design. And this video, we are going to show you how to fix stones like this. How to fix a natural stones on a very professional way. So watch the video for the beginning to the end and learn how to fix these stones a very professional way. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video and share it to your friends and have a knowledge. But as for this installation, you call it rough installation or 3D rough installation, whereby the stones is not going to be smooth on the building. It's going to be rough, one in, one out, one in, one out, as you can see right now. So let's go. Yeah, so when it comes to a natural stones, you don't need to plaster your building before you call in an installer. You see, so you can leave your building unplastered. You see, so sometimes when it comes like this, sometimes maybe the concrete can project. That be why you need your more hammer to take off the place that project. You see, to take off the projection place before before you start your installation. So in the beginning, you need your level. What level there? You see, you need your level for the beginning, because of the level you need it for the basement. You see, on the first installation, you have to draw your level and make sure that your face stones is on the level. That be so important before the installation. You see, so one thing about we say, before you lay the stones, you have to plaster. You see, you have to plaster before you fix the stones. So watch the video and get them perfect. So watch the video. You see, you have to plaster before we lay the stones. So when you pay attention, you see that like how you call the design. This one out, this one in. You see, like this one in, this one out, this one in, this one out. So it's not a smooth work. So that when you are done, you will see everything will look like organic and miss. That be how you want it. That be how the customer want it. You see, when you go back, everything is organic. That be how the customer want it. The job should be. No, but you have to give it the thing rope. Oh. You have to give a rope. Oh. So the one will come on second, and you will have a limit based on the one not be straight. And for jump for all.
But about this one, this side there no good crown, so that one there for sure.
So you see, on the basement, you have to use your level. You see, these are some of the most important things because you see, you have to draw your level, make sure it's on level, and you draw, and you draw a line. I'm sort of out of what he 70 Ghana per square meter. Então, o dome é 40 Ghana per square meter. Tam deu, Carlo. Oh, no. Oh, Carlo, no. You tell me 40 Ghana per square meter. You see.
What?
So that be how the installation go. That be how the installation go. Give me go explain last. I don't think after I don't give people the estimate here too. They were no video. I read it. So leave to the worry me sir. Not you carry money can so make the song go the site. Yeah, so these are the few techniques you need for your building. So as you watch me right now, I hope that today you learn a little skills how to fit this natural stone. You see, what do they see right now? You see need some knowledge before you can make it perfect as you're watching this video. You see, so keep like follow me watching my video. I'll be posting a similar video like that so that you'll get to know better. The name is Stepping Stone Design. Bye bye.